In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpenClaw to your ChatGPT Plus subscription using your account authentication. First, sign in to your ChatGPT account that has an active ChatGPT Plus subscription. This is important because the setup you'll be working with is meant to route requests through that paid plan. Before you continue, make sure you're logged into the correct account and that your subscription is active in your settings. Taking a moment to confirm that now can help you avoid confusion later if something doesn't seem to work as expected. Once you're inside your account, the next step is to access the authentication details you plan to use. Depending on the method supported by your setup, this usually means either obtaining a session token or refresh token or opening the developer OAuth area available through your ChatGPT settings. The goal here is simply to reach the place where your authentication credentials are available, so OpenClaw can use them to verify your account access. As you do this, be careful not to expose any private information on screen or in shared files. Tokens and authentication credentials are sensitive and should always be handled securely. After that, open OpenClaw's configuration setup file. In most cases, this will be a file like config.json or a .env file, depending on how your installation is structured. If you're not sure which one your setup uses, check the project folder and look for the file that contains environment values or app configuration settings. Open it in a code editor or text editor that preserves formatting, since even a small typo in a config file can cause problems later. Now go to the authentication section of that configuration file and set the authentication mode to either OAuth or session, depending on the credential type you obtained earlier. It's important to match the mode to the correct method. If you're using OAuth, select OAuth. If you're using a session-based token, select session. Then paste your token or credential into the appropriate field in the file. Be careful not to include extra spaces, broken quotation marks, or line breaks because those small formatting issues can prevent authentication from working properly. Once that's done, save the configuration file. At this point, OpenClaw should be set up to route its request through your ChatGPT Plus subscription plan using the authentication method you configured. If something fails, double-check the selected auth mode, confirm the token was pasted into the correct field, and make sure the file was saved correctly.